So that's our flourless chocolate cake made with pure Belgian chocolate. And this has got your gluten free completely, which has almond flour in it. Now we have made it in a ready to bake liner, which is in heart shape. As soon as it cools down, you need to put some cocoa powder, dust a cocoa powder on top. This is my cocoa powder, which is slightly dark. So dust your cocoa powder. Place some strawberries. Okay. If you want to introduce some rosebuds, you can also introduce some rosebuds. Just for the decor. It's Valentine week going on. Definitely our hearts are a must. So that's our heart flourless chocolate cake ready here. Ready to go, because this is a ready to bake liner, so directly you can just gift it away to your clients. Now coming to our today's class. We have conducted a complete healthy, not completely gluten free, but yes, healthy, millet friendly, sugar free, but not completely sugar free. It's natural sweetener. We have done a healthy tea time cake class with no maida, no refined sugar at all. Now this class includes a lot of theory initially. What is gluten, what is gluten free, what is vegan, which are the non-vegan products, how do you make it sugar free, what are natural sweeteners, what is sugar free. So these are all your theory that we talk about. Then you can literally play around with the variations that you want. So let's start. Our first cake was our very own date and walnut oat crumble bundt cake and a mini cupcake, which I just placed in the center. So that's our bundt cake here. Second recipe is our banana loaf. Now this is also called as banana bread. So I have made this as your mixed seeds with Barry Callebaut chocolate callets and a banana bread loaf, which you can slice it nicely. You can remove it from the ready to bake liner and place it in this as your giveaway. This box looks very cute when you're giving it in your the loaves in these kind of boxes. Then we've done a Kapli cake. This is basically a Kapli blueberry almond cake made in small mini buns. So you can do it in mini buns, you can make it in this bun, you can make it in loaf. Financiers. Now this is our financier, which is not like a cake. These are like shortbread pieces. These are completely soft, again made with almond flour. This is completely eggless, because generally financiers are not eggless. I have created it into an eggless version, and this is how we have decorated with some white chocolate with pista cranberry or rose petals. Our man of the match, as we said, that's our double chocolate loaf with strawberries. So seasonal strawberries. We've literally melted a lot of dark chocolate on the top, and this is how it looks. Okay. So we have a glaze, we have a chocolate bar, we have strawberries, and we have literally melted so that your strawberries are seen or popping out from the cake. Lastly is our flourless chocolate cake in a heart shape today. This is how we completed 6 recipes in our today's class. And yes, many have missed today's class or couldn't attend. I have got the recording. DM me and I will share the recording details. Coming up with our very own student here who would like to give a review of today's class.
I have attended so many classes from the ma'am itself, where I have learned the tea time cakes and gluten-free vegan version of these all the cakes. Apart from that, the many versions of strawberry decor and packaging, pricing, everything.
Yes.
I have tasted every cake and cupcake version of these all the cakes. Each of these have the balanced way of sugars and sweetness, as these don't have refined sugar still. कहीं से नहीं पता चलेगा कि इनमें रिफाइंड शुगर नहीं है, आफ्टर टेस्ट में भी नहीं, या खाते टाइम पे भी नहीं, तो एक बहुत ही परफेक्ट बैलेंस था इसका. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Most welcome. And yes, these cakes can be a celebration cake, so not necessary every time you need whipped cream cakes, ganache cakes or buttercream cakes. These are your best options for celebration, as everybody is getting very health conscious. So those who wish to enroll, DM me and I will send you the registration details. Thank you.